Hello, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about generality chapter of Kent's repertory. What is its content, how it is important for our curriculum and daily practice. Generality chapter is last chapter of Kent's repertory contains various types of general symptoms. Altogether, there are 245 rubrics in this chapter. It contains the rubrics related to the modalities, but besides these other varieties of rubrics are also present. Here we find aggravations, ameliorations, sensations and reactions of the patient as a whole to some physical conditions as to pain in general under these rubrics where nothing is specified, aggravation is understood. The arrangement of the generalities is the same as throughout the other sections of this repertory. After time, follow general conditions of patient as a whole in alphabetical order. Aggravations and ameliorations of various parts, that is head, eyes, ears, nose, face, stomach, chest, back, extremities, skin, etc. Each is found in the section referring to the parts in particular. The general aggravations as found under this chapter are as follows. Better and worse from ascending, bathing, from cold, from wet, from position, from motion, rest, pressure, rubbing, etc. Aggravation from cold, we have following particulars. Cold in general, cold air, becoming cold, cold, dry weather, entering a cold place, tendency to take cold, cold wet weather, cold feeling in blood vessels, bone, inner part. In looking for aggravations from wet and dry, we found under wet applications, getting wet, feet, head, perspiration, weather, etc. In generality chapter, we found pain as to its onset and its disappearance, its character as burning constrictions, digging, jerking, pinching, pressing, stitching, tearing, etc. Its direction as to across, downward, inward, outward, upward. We find all pathological nomenclature that there is in the book, like anemia, arsenical poisoning, atrophy, cancerous affection, caries, chlorosis, course, convulsions, dropsy, faintness, glands, measles, mercury, abuse of obesity, quinine, abuse of scarlet fever, syphilis, etc. The chapter, the character and frequency of the pulse are found in this chapter. It is grouped alphabetically as abnormal, frequent, intermittent, small, slow, full, hard, soft, tense, weak, etc. Aggravations from eating and drinking from different foods and drink as bacon, beer, bread, butter, fruit, meat, milk, pastry, tea, etc. The kinds and condition of food, dry food, frozen food, hot, rich, malt, sweet, sour and warm drink and foods. The desire, craving and aversion to various foods and drinks, hunger and thirst are found under desire and aversion in stomach sections. The general aggravations and ameliorations before, during and after menses are found in the generalities, while all important particular and common menstrual symptoms are found under chapter genitalia female. Following types of rubrics are expected in generalities: modalities, mental, physical state, pathological disease, effects of suppression or bad effects of etiological factors. So, in this way, we see the different content and utility of generality chapter in Kent repertory. You like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.